Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix apps that keep closing in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Close the app properly. First swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause. Find the app that keeps closing, then swipe it up to fully close it. Then reopen the app and check if the problem is fixed. Step 2. Restart your phone. Next, restart your phone. Hold the power button plus volume up button, then slide to power off. Wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 3. Check for app updates. Now go to an app store, then tap on your profile, then tap on apps and scroll down. If you see the app listed under updates, tap update. And outdated apps are one of the biggest reason app crash. Step 4. Check for iOS update. Now go to settings, then general, then software update. If an update is available, install it. New iOS updates often fix app bugs and crashes. Step 5. Delete and reinstall the app. If the app still keeps closing, press and hold the app icon, tap remove app, then delete app, and go back to the app store and reinstall it. Step 6. Reset app settings. Still not working? Go to the settings, then general, then transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then choose reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but it resets your system settings. And that's how you can fix the app that keep closing. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.